My dad just told me a story about how he used to work with this guy, and this guy used to work on the night shift. So we would have to take the subway home at night, which was a little sketchy. So in order to avoid any trouble on the subway, this man took sunglasses and poked one of the lenses out and left the other in. And he would sit on the train and wear these sunglasses. And I was like, Dad, why did this person do this? And he said it's because he looks like a crazy person and nobody messes with a crazy person on the subway.